Let's begin with downward dog. So check your hands shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart. Raise your hips towards the ceiling. Push your chest towards the ground. Then kneel knees down. Bring the elbows on the ground and lift your hips back up. Then push with your hand and walk forward. Feet about hip width apart. Bring the hands on the back, interlock your fingers. Press your chest towards the knee. Relax your neck. Then bring the hands on the ground, kneel your knee down. Then bring the side of the forehead on the ground. Left hand goes under the body. Right hand from the top, interlock the hand behind. And push with your hands as you inhale, chain the side, right hand under the body, left hand back. And push with your hands, come back and sit onto your heels. Take your right hand on the back and then grab your elbow with your left hand. Pull your elbow towards the left. Inhale. Exhale, release, change your hand, left hand on the back. Pull your left elbow with your right hand. Inhale, exhale, release. Then bring the right hand from top, left hand from down, interlock the fingers. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale back. Change your hand. Left hand from top, right hand from bottom. Interlock the fingers. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Then join the palm together on the back in Namaste. Keep your breathing normal. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Then release the hand and stretch your arms forward. Then join the palm together and bring the hands behind your neck. And stretch your arms out. Look forward, chin on the ground, and lift your hips up. Inhale, exhale, press back into child's and relax. And gently sit up whenever you're ready. Very slowly and gently open your eyes. Namaste.